educational purposes only channel. No children.
Good afternoon, Grummy. Today is Wednesday, I think. Wednesday, hump day. Feels like a hump day to me. I've been humping all damn morning. Woo. What is today? 22nd, I think. Woo. Yes, sir. Wednesday, July the 22nd. Woo. My ladies was flooded. Catch pans full. We've been getting hammered with some serious thunderstorms and rain all last night and this morning. More coming tonight. I gotta give my ladies a little, give her roots a little fucking air, a little breeze before they get flooded again. Got a little mail call. I just stopped my PO. Dropped off 5 and picked up 1. If you had something coming to you from me, it is on the way. Do a quick little mail call here, and I might as well, since we're out here, I'll show you my ladies. And I'll tell you what my plan is. Thank you, Scotty. Scotty 420, Wet Basement Groves. I appreciate you, brother. Oh, yes, indeedy. We got us some Dab Merino White Cherry. Got a signature on there, baby. Yes, indeedy. I appreciate you very much, Scotty. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 big fat snake eggs. Photoperiod Rigs. White cherry. You know what I'm going to do with this shit. I can't help myself. I love it. I love you, Scotty. I appreciate you, brother. Yeah, let me take y'all around here for a minute. Tell you what my game plan is. I got something coming Friday. 2 days and I can't wait. Oh, I can't even get to, I'm so excited I can't even get the damn envelope back in there. Ooh, get in there, bitch. It is humid as hell out here right now. The sun was out. Thank God it went behind the clouds. It was steaming. I won't forget. Fasten your seatbelts. Woo. Let me kick the cam on back here a little bit. Okie dokie. This is Cass Peyote Forum, and it is popping up through my second deck. She's looking fine as kind. Coming on is gonna be some beefy buds. Beefy. Looking perfect shape to me. Not too green, not too light. I know I'm getting some fucking liquid nutrients flushed out right now. I'm gonna have to feed her in 2 weeks, I guess. For sure. Ain't gonna go no 3, I don't think. Look at Miss K's Rocky Melon Haze. It is not fucking around. She is rolling. Remember, there was a hole out there in the middle. Shoot, I trained that branch right there all the way from the outside all the way to the inside, baby. I run them. And she's looking fine as kind, too. Yes, indeedy. Mr. Man's Blueberry. Over 5 foot. Off the top of the soil. It's over my head. Counting the pot. Looking fine as kind, Mr. Man. Got a long battle ahead. Pray for me, Grummies. Ooh. Storm been beating the hell out of my poor plants over here. Fuck them tomato plants. You suck, and you suck. The storm been busting my bell peppers up. Broke 2 branches. I already cut one off. Dag nabbit. Got a pepper hanging there. I might as well get him up. Good sized pepper too. Damn, it pisses me off. Busting them up. Poor babies. Yeah, piss on you too. No caterpillars. I got Spotty Man over here. I showed him a little short. Wonder if he's still in here. I don't see no caterpillars. Spotty Man must be on down in there somewhere. No caterpillars on that poor eat up thing. They were loving this one though. Ooh, my buddy Ronnie come and got it. When he came by here yesterday, he took a big bag of jalapenos off my hand. Look, man, I'm getting slack. I gotta get these. They're already getting too big for me. I got too much going on. Shoot. I'm waiting on a call back from the doctor. I might be sticking my mom in the hospital here shortly. Her blood pressure's through the roof. Sugar's 133. Heart rate's 85. But boy, we're cranking on the blood pressure. Top and bottom numbers. Waiting on a damn call. I'm going to take Friday. I got a 10 by 14 shade, 60% shade cloth coming. I'm going to take and drag her over here into my screen in there and put her underneath the shade cloth. Don't smash my plant now. Whew, yeah. Pull that plastic off. Pull that plastic off, and I got that fencing to hold my shade cloth up. We're going to shade cloth her. Whew. Wish that sixth one would have popped, but that's okay. I haven't watered these at all. I watered them one good time. Soil's still good and moist. I ain't gonna give them no water. Make them look for it, baby. Don't know what they are. They're all mine or they're one of yours. But yeah. This is a 10 by 10. We'll do the whole top. And then I'm gonna let it come down 4 feet right here. My shed blocks that side up, and of course, they don't get a whole lot of morning light right there, so we're gonna roll with it, baby. Whew. Have a fantastic day. Don't work too hard. I'm out of here. Peace.